Hello. So in today's video we're going to be adding a little bit more to the Bargue plate. Stick around to the end because we're going to talk a little bit about how we look at the kind of tonal variations within the shadow and what I do in order to make it look like the Bargue plate that we've got here. Just hours and hours and hours of fun. That's the important thing. Right, so let's have a look at the time lapse. So what I'm doing here is I am adding a little bit of chalk pencil into the charcoal, and then I'm using the blending stick to kind of push it around a little bit, and I am trying to replicate the variation in shadow. I'm not setting out to make a masterpiece here, ladies and gentlemen. I'm just trying to learn, I'm just trying to get better, I'm just trying to have fun. The have fun bit is the most important part. As you can see, just trying to kind of working on this area here, adding and subtracting and pushing around the charcoal and the chalk. These blending tools are brilliant for, really unifying the surface and pulling things around, pulling the charcoal around, all right? And you can use it for penciling as well. Charcoal is really good for this. So yeah, there we go. Have a wonderful day today, guys, and whatever you do today, make some art. Take care, bye-bye.